Somebody fell in the water off their kayak. Let's go help them get back in the kayak. Hey, you okay? Yeah. All right. I'm gonna hold down the other side. You try to climb on, all right?
Yeah. Oh my God. I don't know that I'll be able to climb on. I'm so weak.
All right. Well, I got you. Just hold on and I'll pedal you back to shore, all right?
All right, I appreciate it. We hit the fucking thing and got knocked over. Oh my God.
I got no steering control. I gotta grab it from the front.
I appreciate this so much.
No problem.
You can take us over there to the left.
Yeah, I'm trying to turn. Let me see if I can grab you from the other side.
Oh my God.
All right.
I'm fine with whatever works, man.
Okay. All right. So I will grab this handle up here.
Yep.
And I'm gonna pedal us back to shore.
Okay.
Did y'all just launch? Y'all just launched, right?
On the other side, yeah. And we hit the fucking under the bridge and we threw us up against the wall.
What, did a wake?
Huh?
Was it a wake?
A little bit of waves, and I guess we weren't ready for it or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm trying to turn us. Is my rudder down? There you go. There you go, we're turning. Luckily, your wife made it back.
Huh?
Luckily, your wife made it back.
Yeah. I was about to just leave this motherfucker.
I saw y'all. I thought y'all were swimming at first, and then guys on shore told me to give y'all a hand. I think all those emergency vehicles are for you.
Huh?
All those emergency vehicles you hear?
Yeah, they're for me.
There they are. If this happens again, if you at first reach over to the other side and then pull yourself up,
You can get on like that?
Yeah, you can get on a lot easier. Like from where you're at, reach onto the other side and then
Yeah.
pull yourself up.
Okay.
He's fatigued, but he's all right.
I can touch ground.
Touch ground. All right, man. Good luck to you.
Appreciate it, man. My name's Jamie, man.
I'm JR.
Nice to meet you.
Take it easy.
Thank you for saving my life.
No problem. You're welcome. Take it easy. Good luck. That was wild. Oh, let's go fish now. Oh, thought that was for me. All right. Where were we?